Is your wallet getting a little too thick with all those cards? Do you want to ditch the plastic and embrace the convenience of a digital payment life? If you're a Revolut user, adding your card to Apple Pay or Google Pay is a game changer for quick, secure, contactless payments. It lets you use all the benefits of your Revolut card, like great exchange rates and instant notifications, right from your phone. And the best part? The process is super fast. Let's dive into exactly how to set this up, whether you're on an iPhone or an Android device. First, the easiest method for everyone is directly through the Revolut app itself. Step 1. Open the Revolut app and navigate to the Cards section. Depending on your app version, this is usually an icon near the top or bottom of the screen. Step 2. Select the specific Revolut card you want to add to your mobile wallet. You'll see a picture of your card. Step 3. Look for a button that says Add to Apple Wallet or Add to GPay, Google Pay. Tap it. Step 4. The Revolut app will automatically prompt your device's wallet app, Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, to begin the setup. You'll just need to follow the on-screen instructions, agree to the terms and conditions, and confirm the card. Once verified, you're all set. Now, if for some reason the in-app button isn't appearing, here is the quick alternative method for each system. For Apple Pay on iPhone, open your Apple Wallet app. Tap the plus symbol in the top right corner. Select debit or credit card and then continue. You can then scan your physical Revolut card or enter the details manually. Apple will securely contact Revolut. You may need to verify the card back in the Revolut app or with a one-time text message code. For Google Pay on Android, open the Google Wallet app. Tap the Add to Wallet button. Select Payment Card. Scan your physical Revolut card or enter the details manually, including the security code. Google will then contact Revolut for authorization. Again, you'll likely need to quickly pop over to the Revolut app to confirm the link or use a verification code sent via text. And that's it. In just a few taps, your Revolut card is digitized and ready for secure, contactless payments almost anywhere you go. No more fumbling for your physical wallet, just a quick tap of your phone and you're done. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.